Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to fix when you try and use your Apple ID, you receive this error. This Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes Store or the Apple Store. So the reason why this happens is because you have not added your shipping and or billing address to your Apple ID. Here's how to add it. So I want you to open up the App Store. There's two methods, by the way. Just tap on the top right here, and then you should see your Apple ID. If you don't, sign in here, then tap on your name. What this will do is it will load up this page. So here's how we add our information. Just tap on manage payment right here, and it should give you some payment areas right here. So these are my payment methods on my Apple ID. There's a high chance you don't have any payment methods at all, but if you do, just in case, just tap on add payment method at the bottom here. It will ask you to add your payment method, and it will also ask you to add your billing address. Just add all that information here, and that should sort out the issue. If it doesn't sort out the issue, then here's the other way to go. Go to settings, tap on your name right here, and you should see payment and shipping. Tap on this, and there should be a toggle which says add shipping address. I don't want to show it because it's going to show my sensitive information. Just tap on add shipping address, add in your correct information, and then you should be good to go. If that still doesn't solve the issue, there's a chance that you did not accept some terms of service. So when you create an Apple ID, you need to accept Apple's terms of service. Just make sure that when you receive that pop up again, so if I just show it again here, this Apple ID has not yet been used, just tap on review, and if you haven't accepted terms of service, you'll be asked to accept it again. Just tap on accept, and really that should solve the issue. You should be able to use your Apple ID again without any issues at all. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.